Mga kaibigan, sa aking mga subscriber, sa aking mga silent viewer dyan, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Minahunt naman ako ulit to. 5 peso 2017. Oo, diba? Dahil ito nga pala yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon, mga kaibigan. Pauna ang Paura series 1991 ay 1992 pala to, at saka 1991. So mga kaibigan, baka naman pwedeng maglambing ng subscribe, papress ng subscribe, papress ng notification bell, paselect ng all para manonotify kayo pag nag-upload ako ng video. Palike na rin ang video, at kung gusto nyo i-share, share nyo na rin. Kaalaman muna tayo mga kaibigan. Si General Emilio Aguinaldo. Emilio Aguinaldo, born March 22 /23, 1869. Baka alas 12 ng hating gabi siguro pinanganak to. Excuse me. Ner Cavite, Luzon, Philippines. Died February 16, 1964, Quezon City. Was a Filipino leader and politician who fought first against Spain and later against the United States for the independence of the Philippines. Early life, Spanish-American War and the struggle for the independence of the Philippines. Aguinaldo was of Chinese and Tagalog parentage. He attended San Juan de Letran College in Manila, but left school early to help his mother run the family farm. In August 1896, he was mayor of Cavite, Bejo, present-day Kawit adjacent to Cavite City, and was the local leader of the Katipunan, a revolutionary society that fought butterfly and successfully against the Spanish in the Katipunan in December 1897. He signed an agreement called the Pact of Biak na Bato with the Spanish Governor General. Aguinaldo agreed to leave the Philippines and to remain permanently in exile on condition of a substantial financial reward from Spain, coupled with the promise of liberal reforms. While first in Hong Kong and then in Singapore, he made arrangement with representative of the Americans consulate of the Commodore George Dewey to return to the Philippines to assist the United States in the war against Spain. Aguinaldo returned to the Philippines on May 19, 1898 and announced renewal of the struggle with Spanish. The Filipinos who declared their independence from Spain in June 12, 1898, proclaimed of Provisional Republic, of which Aguinaldo was become president, and in September, a revolutionary assembly met and ratified Filipino independence. However, the Philippines, along with Puerto Rico and Guam, were ceded by Spain to the United States by Treaty of Paris which was signed on December 10, 1898. Relations between the Americans and the Filipinos were unfriendly and grew steadily worse on January 23, 1899. The Malolos Constitution, by virtue of which the Philippines was declared a republic and which has been approved by the Assembly and by Aguinaldo, was proclaimed. Aguinaldo, who had been president of the provisional government, was elected president. Philippine-American Wars and Aguinaldo rule in World War II. On the right of February 4, the inevitable conflict between the Americans and Filipinos surrounding Manila was precipitated by the morning of February 5. The Filipinos, who had fought bravely, had been defeated at all points. While the fighting was in progress, Aguinaldo issued a proclamation of war against the United States, which immediately sent reinforcement to the Philippines. The Filipino government failed northwards in November 1899. The Filipinos resorted to guerrilla warfare. After 3 years of constantly fighting, the insurrection was finally brought to an end when in dating operation on March 23, 1901, led by General Frederick Panstone. Aguinaldo was captured in his secret headquarters at Palanan in northern Luzon. Aguinaldo took an oath of allegiance to the United States, was granted a permission from the U.S. government, and retired to private life. Get a Britannica Premium. Hindi na to. Sa Britannica na daw ito, mga kaibigan. In 1935, the Commonwealth Government of the Philippines was established in preparation for independence. Aguinaldo ran for president but was decidedly beaten. He returned to the private life until the Japanese invaded the Philippines in December 1941. The Japanese used Aguinaldo as an anti-American tool. He made speech and signed articles. In early 1942, he addressed a ratio appeal to U.S. General Douglas MacArthur, who at that time was with the U.S. garrison holding out against the Japanese on Corregidor Island to surrender the troops. There did surrender in May 1942, but MacArthur had already been evacuated. The Americans returned to the Philippines in late 1944, and after they had retaken Manila in 1945, Aguinaldo was arrested. He and other accused of collaboration with the Japanese were imprisoned for some months before they were released by presidential amnesty. In 1950, Aguinaldo was appointed by Pres Elpidio Quirino as a member of the Council of State In his later years, he devoted much attention to veterans affairs, the promotion of nationalism and democracy in the Philippines, and the improvement of relations between the Philippines and the United States. May naitulong din pala si Aguinaldo sa mga veterano, mga kaibigan. Dahil ng 1950s, siya pala ang nag-asikaso nung mga veterano. Yung siguro yung mga nag-aklas, yung naging guerrilla. Kaya siguro inano din siyang talagang bayani. Mga kaibigan, punta na tayo sa kanyang pictures. Issuer Philippines, period Republic, type standard circulation coins, years 1991 to 1994. Value, peso, 5 peso. Currency, peso. Composition, nickel brass. Non-magnetic to, mga kaibigan. Nickel brass. Weight, 9.45 grams. Diameter, 25.5 mm. Thickness, 2.6 mm. Shape, round. Technique, meld. Orientation, medal, alignment. Pantay ito, mga kaibigan. Pantay. Obverse, head of Emilio Aguinaldo facing right. Latin, Republic of the Philippines. Aguinaldo, year. Ito yung mga kaibigan, Republic of the Philippines, Aguinaldo, year. And then reverse, Nara tree, Perocarpus indicus, flower and leaves. Nara. Piso Perocarpus indicus, age redded. Redded daw ang age niya, mga kaibigan. Redded niya, Punta tayo sa presyo niya, mga kaibigan. Wala akong 93.94. Gahanap pa ako ng 93.94. 1991, very good, 30 pesos. Fine, 38. Very fine, 40. 64, extra fine. 94, almost uncirculated hanggang uncirculated. Ito yung hawak ko, mga ano lang ito, very fine. Mga very fine lang ito. 40 pesos. 1992, very fine, 40. Extra fine, 76. Almost uncirculated, 110. Ang mahal ng uncirculated niya, 190, mga kaibigan. Ang mahal niya. 1993, very fine, 24 hanggang extra fine. 1994, extra fine lang, 56 pesos, mga kaibigan. So, mga kaibigan, baka naman pwede maglambing ng subscribe, papress ng subscribe, papress ng notification bell, pasalik ng all para ma-notify kayo pag ako nag-upload ng video. Palike na rin, at kung gusto nyo i-share nyo na rin. Maraming salamat, mga kaibigan. Magandang gabi.